Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Ryan, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are absolutely fantastic. In this video, let's have a look at this Xiaomi Mi Band 4. And guys, I'm gonna give one away for you guys, international giveaway. Stay till the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how. Hope you guys like this one, you know what to do. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And like we normally do, let's start with a quick unboxing and I'll show you what this band can do. And before that, let me thank you very much guys. We reached 2 million views, 4,000 subs almost in this channel, and to show my appreciation I'm gonna give one of these bands away, international giveaway to you in cooperation with GYROSCOPE. I'm going to tell you in a minute how you can win. Stay tuned. So guys, this is the Mi Band 4. This is the updated version of one of the best fitness tracker on the market. Huge success, the Mi Band 3. This one is the Mi Band 4, now with the AMOLED screen, a color display with a resolution of 120 by 214. According to Xiaomi, this band is 40% larger. I mean, the screen of this band is 40% larger than the predecessor, the Mi Band 3. So this Mi Band 4 has 3 different versions. You have the Chinese version, you have the international version, which is the one I'm giving it away to you guys, and you have the NFC version with voice controls. Please note that the NFC will only work in China. The one I'm reviewing today is the Chinese version, which is exactly the same as the international one, but it only supports English and Chinese. The international one will support different languages. On the back of this band you can see the Mi logo, the heart rate monitor and the charging ports. The band itself is made of TPU thermoplast polyurethane, which is supposed to be strong. In terms of battery life, this Mi Band 4 has a 135 mAh battery, and according to Xiaomi it should last 20 days guys, 20 days, it's quite a lot. I did use this band for a few days and I used around 6% a day of battery. Normal use, no restrictions whatsoever, so it's quite good. In terms of charging time, you need around 45 minutes to 60 minutes to fully charge this battery. You don't need to do it that often, and good thing, because it's a pain in the butt to charge this battery. Let me show you how you do it. So you have this charger with the smallest USB lead in the world, and you need to remove the unit from the strap itself, like so. Then get a source of power, in my case a power bank, and then all you need to do is put the the unit there, and we'll start charging. That's how you do it. When fully charged, you just need to put the unit back in the strap. And now guys, let's talk about the fitness and health tracker. So the Mi Band 4 will track your steps, your distance traveled using the GPS from your phone, calories burned. It will track your heart rate, and it will also give you a warning if you reach a certain amount of beats per minute. And it will also give you an alert if you idle for too long. The Mi Band will also cover your sleep quality, and of course your exercise. You have multi-sports, multi-workouts that you can choose on this band. Everything will be connected to the app, so you'll see in detail how was your exercise, how many calories you burn, the distance, etc, etc. You can pick from different sports, different exercises here: outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, even swimming. I'm going to show that in a minute. Of course you also have the weather provision as well. You have the notifications from your phone using Bluetooth 5.0. Of course you can see SMS previews, email previews, or even reject calls. You cannot answer the call or reply to any email or message. Alongside this, you have the Do Not Disturb menu, where you won't receive any notifications. You can set a time for that. You have the alarm and the music menu, where you can control the music from the Mi Band 4. There's also a stopwatch, a timer, and Find My Device. It will send an alert to your phone. And of course I got the notification from the phone on the band. On the band menu you'll be able to change the band face, and if you logged into the Chinese server you'll be able to download 70 different faces, or 77, something like that. On the settings you can change the brightness of the band itself, so you have a better viewing experience outside. Very bright, 400 nit brightness, a huge step up from the previous model. And if you plan to use this for swimming, for some diving, some fun underwater, nothing to fear. The Mi Band 4 has a 5 ATM waterproofing, which means 50 meters underwater or 5 atmospheres. Taking advantage of the 3-axis accelerometer and the 3-axis gyroscope, this Mi Band 4 will track your swimming. Overall, in my honest opinion, I think it's a nice quality band within an excellent price range comparing what's on the market. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. Sometimes GearBest do some nice discounts. Yeah, for the money you get a nice fitness tracker with an amazing battery life, amazing screen, some cool features like sleep monitor, heart rate monitor, and of course the sports/fitness tracker. The con side for me, it's the charging method, it's not the best. And finally guys, let's talk about the giveaway. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna give one of these away, an international version of this Mi Band 4 worldwide in cooperation with GearBest. So if you want to win the Mi Band 4, you just need to subscribe to the channel, comment below because I'm gonna pick a random comment, and basically that's it. I do appreciate if you guys want to like this video, it does help. I'll pick a winner in a couple of weeks. I'll leave the details about the giveaway down in the video description. The winner will be announced on my social media, so please guys follow if you can. And that's it guys, good luck. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click the like button if you did, even after the giveaway. Show some support to the channel. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope I can see you all in the next one.